Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In our last video, we do physical exercises for physical strength. Today I am in front of you with the brain game chess. Those who want to start playing chess, this is the video for you. Okay, let's start. To start the game chess, you want to understand about chessboard and chess pieces. So let's start with chessboard. About chessboard, board is to be placed such a manner that each player right side bottom corner square must be light in color or white color. Next thing about chessboard, there are 64 squares in chessboard, that is 32 white and 32 black squares. Now you can see some letters and numbers are there in chessboard. Letters are A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H, which is came to be known as file. That is A file, B file, C file, D file, E file, F file, G file and H file. Okay, each file belongs 8 squares. So let's move on to the numbers 1 to 8, which is came to be known as ranks. First rank, second rank, third rank, fourth rank, 5th rank, 6th rank, 7th rank and 8th rank. Each rank belongs 8 squares. Now you already learned that there are 64 squares in chessboard. Each square has its own name. So let's move on to that. So first you wanna look in which file this square belongs. Yeah, right, A file. Now you wanna look in which rank this square belongs. Yeah, first rank. So first file name followed by rank name. So name of the square is A1. Let's move to next square. Yes. Yeah. A2. Right. Now let's look it in random. Yes. E4. Now let's move on to chess pieces. First let's check how to arrange chess pieces there in chessboard. First piece we gonna place is rook. The rook belong to corner squares. White got 2 rooks, black got 2 rooks, total 4 rooks. Each rook to be placed in the corner squares. Next piece is knight, which belongs next to the rook. 2 knights for white, 2 knights for black, total number 4. Next piece is bishop. Bishop next to knight. 2 bishop for white, 2 bishop for black, total number 4. Next, we place our queen on her matching color, which means white queen in light color square and black queen in dark color square. Next queen we can place king. In front of all pieces, we want to place pawns. If you set up the board correctly, each piece facing each other. Each player got 6 different pieces with unique way of moving. So let's move on to each piece movements. Let's start with rook. Rook move in such a manner that we can simply say rook moves in a straight line or through files and ranks. Or we can say in standing line or sleeping line. Rook can capture the enemy piece when it moves into its path. When you capture an enemy piece, you simply go to the square which occupy and remove it from the board. Next piece we are going to discuss is bishop. Bishop can move diagonally any number of square or in an X pattern like this. Now let's move on to queen. Queen is the most powerful piece in chessboard because it can move both like rook and bishop, which means it can move through file, rank and diagonal. From this position, queen can move any number of square highlighted in red. Next piece we're gonna discuss is king. King is the most valuable piece in chess. If you lose your king, that means checkmate, game over. So you wanna attack opponent king, at the same time you wanna guard your own king. King moves in any direction, only one square, or we can simply say one square nearby. Next piece is knight. Knight is the only piece which can jump over another piece. Knight moves in the shape of L. Knight moves 2 square in straight direction except diagonal and moves one square like this. Knight can move any number of squares highlighted in red. It can capture enemy piece when they enter in the square. Last one is pawn. It is the most complicated piece in chess, which moves in one direction and capture in another direction. Pawn can move one step forward. If it is its first move, it can move either two steps or one step. After its first move, then it can move only one step. Pawn is the only piece which cannot move backward direction. No pawn can capture when its opponent piece in its moving square. It can capture enemy piece in diagonally in front of them.